Welcome to our channel. In this video, we explore unique and creative ways to incorporate wooden art into your home decor. From stunning wall hangings to intricate sculptures, these DIY projects are sure to add a touch of warmth and charm to any room. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just looking for some inspiration, this video has something for everyone. Watch now and get ready to elevate your home decor with the beauty of wood. Wooden art has been a timeless and versatile medium for home decor, adding warmth and character to any space. In this video, we will explore the importance of incorporating creative wooden art into your home decor. Wooden art pieces, such as wall hangings, sculptures, and furniture, can bring a sense of nature and organic beauty into your home. The unique textures and grains of wood add depth and visual interest to any room. Whether you prefer a rustic, bohemian, or modern aesthetic, wooden art can be customized to suit your style. DIY projects using reclaimed wood or wood carving techniques allow you to create one-of-a-kind pieces that reflect your personality. Wooden art is not only aesthetically pleasing but also durable and sustainable. Investing in high-quality wooden art pieces ensures longevity and reduces environmental impact compared to mass-produced decor items. In conclusion, incorporating creative wooden art into your home decor adds a touch of elegance, warmth, and individuality. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or looking to support local artisans, wooden art is a versatile and impactful addition to any space. Choosing the right wood for creative wooden art projects. Are you looking to create stunning wooden art pieces that showcase your creativity and craftsmanship? Choosing the right type of wood is essential to bring your vision to life. In this video, we'll explore the different types of wood that are perfect for creative wooden art projects. When selecting wood for your art projects, consider factors such as grain pattern, color, durability, and workability. Here are some popular choices for creative wooden art. 1. Maple. Known for its light color and smooth grain, maple is a versatile wood that is great for intricate carving and detailed work. 2. Walnut. With its rich, dark color and beautiful grain patterns, walnut is perfect for creating elegant and sophisticated wooden art pieces. 3. Cherry. Cherry wood offers a warm, reddish-brown hue and a smooth texture, making it ideal for creating timeless and classic wooden art. 4. Oak. Oak is a durable and strong wood that features prominent grain patterns, making it suitable for rustic and traditional wooden art projects. 5. Mahogany. Mahogany is prized for its deep red-brown color and fine grain, making it a luxurious choice for creating high-end wooden art pieces. Each type of wood has its own unique characteristics and qualities that can enhance your creative wooden art projects. Experiment with different woods to discover the perfect match for your artistic vision. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, choosing the right wood is crucial for creating stunning and unique wooden art. Let your creativity shine through with the perfect choice of wood for your next project. Exploring exotic woods for unique wooden art projects. Looking to take your wooden art projects to the next level? Consider using exotic woods to add a touch of uniqueness and luxury to your creations. In this video, we'll delve into the world of exotic woods and discover their beauty and characteristics for creative wooden art projects. Exotic woods come from trees that are not commonly found in the region where you live, offering a wide range of colors, grain patterns, and textures. Here are some popular exotic woods for unique wooden art projects. 1. Purple Heart. Known for its vibrant purple color that deepens with age, Purple Heart is a stunning choice for adding a pop of color to your wooden art pieces. 2. Zebrawood. With its distinctive zebra-like stripes and golden hue, zebrawood creates eye-catching patterns that can elevate your wooden art to a whole new level. 3. Babinga. Babinga features a rich reddish-brown color and striking grain patterns, making it a luxurious choice for creating bold and elegant wooden art pieces. 4. Wenge. Wenge is a dark hardwood with a unique dark brown color and distinctive black veining, adding a modern and sophisticated touch to your wooden art projects. 5. Padauk. Padauk boasts a vibrant reddish-orange color that darkens over time, creating a warm and inviting look for your wooden art creations. Exotic woods offer a unique opportunity to create one-of-a-kind wooden art pieces that stand out from the crowd. Experiment with different exotic woods to unleash your creativity and bring your artistic vision to life. By incorporating exotic woods into your wooden art projects, you can add a touch of luxury and sophistication that will captivate viewers and make your creations truly unforgettable. Embrace the beauty of exotic woods in your next artistic endeavor. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiration and tips on using exotic woods in your wooden art projects. Stay tuned for more creative content in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and inspiration on wooden art projects. See you in the next video.